I like the cabin. The cabin is huge.
Cabin is
is huge. A beautiful head, and then a great place for the kids, kind of tucked under for a second berth
with a door
with a
shuts
privacy
it off.
door.
Yeah.
Yes.
Full bath. You know, it's a dry head, separate glass enclosed shower. You know, to take an express cruiser, have, you know, the features. This has a huge sunroof, and we're going to get into that feature later.
Yep.
So an electric sunroof, but the walk-through directly to the bow and the bow seating. You know, this is something that's been around for a few years, not so much in the express cruiser. You still have an awful lot of the express cruisers where to get to the bow, you have to climb up stairs between the windshield and balance yourself up and drop onto the sunroof.
Yes.
Here we have a completely different setup, very modern, and at the end of the day, safe. It's great for kids. It's great for the grandparents. It's great for anybody that, you know, isn't a ballerina or a trapeze artist.